Hey guys, welcome back to Cuisine. Well, you may have heard of several parathas, but this one is something that you all must try for sure. Let's see how to make this comforting and delicious paneer paratha. We'll first start by making the filling. Heat a pan and add oil. Once the oil is hot enough, add the cumin seeds and let it crackle for just few seconds. Add chopped onions, followed by some green chilies and cook for a minute. Next, add ginger garlic paste and saute the mixture until it changes its color. At this point, add the fresh tomatoes and give this a good mix. Now it's time to season the mixture with Indian spices. We'll start first by adding salt. Next, add turmeric, followed by cumin and coriander powder, some red chilli powder, and mix it well. Here comes the star of the recipe. Add around a cup of paneer and let it absorb all the flavors from the mixture. Let's season the paneer with little bit salt and last but not the least, some garam masala. The delicious filling for paratha is ready. Keep this mixture aside and let it cool down for a few minutes. Next, let's see how to roll the paratha. For this, as you can see, I already prepared the whole wheat dough and kept it aside for half an hour. Using a rolling pin, roll the dough to make it thin. Just use little dry flour as required. Now it's time to add the delicious stuffing. Carefully place the stuffing in the center. Add generous amount of stuffing though. Gather the edges together as shown here and let's take out the excess and again shape it into a ball. Using a little dry flour again, carefully roll this into a round paratha. Place the rolled paratha on hot tawa. Flip after 2-3 minutes and you can see it's partly cooked. So add little oil or ghee at this stage with the spoon. Flip it again and let this cook for another 2-3 minutes. Don't forget to press the paratha in between so that the edges gets cooked as well. There it is! Nutritious paneer paratha is ready to serve. Enjoy this with curd or any pickle of your choice. So don't wait much and try this easy recipe today. With that, it's time you subscribe to my channel. And I promise I'll get back to you with an easy and amazing recipe like always. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family. Keep watching Cuisine and stay tuned for easy recipes every weekend. Until then, bye-bye.